Hey guys, Antonio here with another video on the Way of the Superior Man by Deida, and today we're going to be talking about use her attractiveness as a slingshot through appearance. So remember, the masculine and the feminine. The masculine is all about the desire. I say this every single video. The world and the feminine is not the purpose of your existence as a masculine person, okay? Your purpose of your existence is to complete your mission, whatever that may be, whoever that may involve, whatever that may involve, okay? It is not the person you are with or the world that you are in, okay? Make sure that's straight, because a lot of people tend to put the world and their significant other above everything else, and that's not the goal of what this book is trying to tell you. In order to be truly in your masculine, you need to be someone who puts your mission above the other thing. Now, you want to get to a point where the attraction that you're feeling to the feminine turns into attraction through the feminine. The feminine is like a source of energy, a source of desire, a source of inspiration for you. Okay? And you use that energy to take you to the next level. In order to get so much farther down the line towards your mission, you need to use that energy. This is the same thing that we were talking about last chapter with sexual transmutation, taking that energy that you get and turning it into positive energy for your mission. That's exactly what we need to be looking for here. So it's a great source of inspiration, but the problem is that the feminine and the world will never truly fill your desire. It won't work, okay? Your ultimate purpose needs to be doing something for someone else. Something for a greater purpose, okay? So guys, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to donate to me on Patreon if you enjoyed the video. And as always, remember that a chapter a day allows for success to make way. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.